Hi friends, in this video you can able to see JDBC interview questions. What is JDBC? JDBC is a Java API that is used to connect and execute the query to the database. JDBC API uses JDBC drivers to connect to the database. JDBC API can be used to access the tabular data stored in the stored in any relation database. What is JDBC driver? There are four types of JDBC drivers are there. One is like JDBC ODBC bridge driver, native API, partly Java driver, network protocol driver, thin driver. So JDBC ODBC driver, JDBC call convert to JDBC call into the ODBC driver. So native API, partly Java call means this here converts the JDBC call into the native method calls. Network protocol driver here JDBC call will converted into the client specific library call. Thin driver means a thin driver converts the JDBC call directly into the vendor specific database protocol. That's why it is known as the thin driver. It is entirely written in Java language. It performs is better than all other drivers. However, these drivers are dependent upon the database. What are the steps to connect to the database? So first we have to register the driver, create the connection, create the statement, and execute the query. So in the case of register driver, class dot for name, here we have to specify Oracle dot JDBC driver Oracle driver. So if it is Oracle, we have to specify the Oracle driver details in the class dot for name. So creating the connection. In this, we have different types of methods are like there get connection with different parameters. We'll use driver manage dot get connection where we have to pass the username and password and we'll get the connection object. After getting the connection object, we have to execute the query. For that one, we have to create we have to use the connection object. By using the connection object, we can create the method. We can write the method like a create statement, and by this method, it will return the statement object. With the help of the statement object, we can execute the query. We can pass the query as a parameter. Select star from employee the example where we can pass this as example, and we can get the results. That results we will get it in terms of the result set object. So once everything result is extracted, so we have like a result will be like a list. So we have to iterate and we have to get it in terms of while loop. Rs dot next is statement used to get the result set object. From that result set object, we can iterate the result set and we will get the um, columns one by one and we will fetch it. So once all the things, all operations, once we fetch all the data from the database, we have to close the connection. Otherwise, it will be memory leak will be happen. So we have to close the connections. How we can close the connection? Connection dot close is a method where we can use it to close the connection. So next question is what are the JDBC API components? We have like there are different types of interfaces classes used in the JDBC. If we go to the interfaces, there is like connection, statement, prepare statement, result set, result set metadata, database metadata, callable statement. Connection. The connection object is created by using the get connection method. Statement. The statement object is how we can create a statement object. With help of the create statement object, we can able to use. We can able to get the statement object. Prepare statement. How we will get the prepare statement object? With help of the prepare statement method. How we will next one is result set. How we will get it result set object? With help once we will execute the method like execute query. With help of that execute query method, we'll get the result set object. Result set metadata. If you want to fetch some column names, column types. So we can, with help of the result set metadata, we can able to get it. Database metadata. If you want to get the total number of views, number of tables, driver name, product database name, database version, all those information if you want to get it, with help of the get metadata, we can able to get the database information. Callable statement. If you want to trigger procedures or function with help of the prepare call, con dot prepare call connection object. With help of the connection object, we will call the prepare call method. By this, we will get the callable statement related object. So by this, we'll get it will going to execute the triggers and procedure to give you return results. There are different types of classes also available, like driver manager, blob, glob. Driver manager means driver manager act as interface between the users and drivers. It keep tracks of the drivers that are available on the and handle establish the connection between the database and the appropriate driver. Blob. If you want to store the BMP bit files, BMP files, bit images, with help of the blob, we can able to achieve. If you want to store the character set, with help of the glob object, you can able to store the glob related information. SQL exception. If it is a exception class which provides the information on a database access errors. What are the different types of database statements? Statement, prepare statement, callable statement. Statement means is a factory it's a factory of result set. It is used to general purpose to access the database information. It executes a static query at runtime. Prepare statement. Prepare statement used when we need to provide the input parameters to the query at runtime. So statement nothing but if it is a simple straightforward SQL query, we will help out the statement we can able to execute. If you want to pass some parameters to the at runtime, I don't want to pass any parameters right now. I will give later at runtime. So with the help of the prepare statement, we can able to achieve. So we can declare the parameters, let us assume name and employee ID. If I don't want to pass employee ID and employee name in the beginning. I will pass the employee ID and employee name and later in the dynamically at runtime. With help of the prepare statement, we can set those IDs, set ID and set name. With help of that one, we can able to get the mm, results. So in this case, we can use the prepare statement. Callable statement, nothing but if you want to execute the any procedure or any function with help of the callable statement object, we can able to achieve. We will get the results from the procedures or function. What is the return type of the class.funname? Class.funname method returns the object of the java.lang.class object. What is the difference between statement and prepare statement? Statement interface provides the method to execute the queries with the database. In the case of statement, the query is compiled each time when we run the program. See here, statement object, whenever if you want to execute, let us assume if you want to get the employee details. So if you use a statement, it's a plain simple SQL query. So every time it will go into compile mode and it will execute and it will give results. Whereas in the prepare statement, it will execute one time and every time if you try to execute, right, it will not execute. It will already we will get a compiled query and we'll run that one. We'll get the results. As in statement, will every time we'll compile and we'll get and we'll give the parameters and we'll get the results. How we can set the null values to the JDBC prepare statement? Set null is a method where by this we can able to set the values to the prepare statement. What are the benefits over the prepare statement over the statement? The benefits are prepare statement performs faster as compared to the statement. Prepare statement can execute parameters query, whereas statement can only run static queries. The query used prepare statement is appeared to be sim similar every time. Therefore, the database can be reuse the previous access plan, whereas statement inline the parameters into the string. Therefore, the query does not appear to same every time, which prevents the cache reuses. So, what is the difference between execute query, execute update? Execute. Execute method can be used for any SQL statements Execute query method can be used only with a select statement. Execute update method can be used to update, delete, insert operation in the database. Execute method returns a Boolean type value, whereas true indicates the result set is returned, which can be later extracted from the extracted. And if it is false, it will return means it will be return type will be the integer or void. Whereas in execute query, the method returns a result set object which contains the data returned from the select statement. Execute update method returns an integer value represent the number of records affected, whereas 0 indicates that query returning nothing. What are the different types of result sets? Result set is categorized by direction of reading ahead and sensitivity or insensitivity of the result set provided by it. Therefore, three general types of result set. Result sets type forward only, result set type scroll insensitive, result set type scroll sensitive. What are the different types of difference between result set and row set? Result set cannot be serialized as it maintains the connection with the database. Row set is disconnected from the database and can be serialized. Result set object is not a Java Bean object. Result set object is a Java Bean object. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.